Easy month, class 4 EVS. Let us do some question answers. In which month of the year do the birds start making their nest? It is in the month of April. What for do the birds make their nest? The birds make nest for looking after their young and for hatching eggs. Here eggs will come, etc. Name various places where birds make their nest. Number 1, the space between stones. Indian robin. High up in the tree, crow. Old and deserted building, pigeons. Among the thorns, dove. Number 4, name the various things which a robin uses to make its nest. Soft wings, roots, wool, hair and cotton wool. Do the robin and crow use same thing to make their nest? Yes, but here it will come crow, okay? So crow uses, along with this thing, crow uses even the pieces of wire and wood. Name a bird that sings sweetly, quail. Name a bird that does not make its own nest, instead lay its egg in a crow's nest. The name of the bird is quail. Who hatches the eggs of quail? Crow hatches the eggs of quail. Now, number 9, the crow generally builds its nest high up on the tree. Next, number 10, where does a dove make its nest? The dove makes its nest among the thorns of cactus plant or a mehendi hedge. Hedge means chari. Number 11, where does a sparrow make its nest? On top of a cupboard, behind a mirror, on a ledge. All of this, okay. Question number 12, where do pigeons make their nest? Pigeons make their nest in old and deserted buildings. Number 13, which type of sound is produced by a barbet or a coppersmith bird? The sound is tuck, tuck, tuck. Number 14, where does a barbet or coppersmith bird make his nest? It makes its nest in a hole in a tree trunk. Number 15, where does a tailor bird lay its eggs? It lays eggs in the fold of the leaf that it has made. Number 16, where does a sunbird make its nest? The sunbird makes its nest that hangs from the branch of a small tree or a bush. Number 17, which things are used by a sunbird to make its nest? Hair, spiders, cobwebs, grass, thin twigs, dry leaves, cotton wool, bits of tree bark, pieces of cloth, rags. मतलब पुराने कपड़ों का चित्रा, okay? Question number 18, circle the birds that you have seen. This you will do yourself. Whatever birds you have seen, you will circle it. Next, make a picture of various types of nests that you have seen. So these are the different types of nest which we have discussed in this chapter. Draw the picture of animals that live on land. The animals are tiger, cat, dog, elephant, lion. Okay. Next, draw the picture of animals that live in water. Whale, octopus, shark, seahorse. Question number 22. Draw the picture of animals that live in trees. So monkeys, koala and all. Generally most of the birds lives in trees. Next, question number 23. The birds have different kinds of feet depending on their needs. List any 4 needs for which the birds use their needs. Feet. So what are the 4 needs for which birds use their feet? The number 1, to swim in water, to hold the tree branches, to catch the prey, to climb the tree, and number 5, to walk on the land. Number 24, what for does a cow uses a short front teeth? A cow uses a short front teeth for snipping grass. Number 25, which of its teeth does a cow uses for chewing the grass? The teeth on the sides are large and flat for chewing the grass. So the teeth which is on the side of the cow, that it uses to chewing the grass. Fill in the blank. The cats have sharp teeth. The snakes have sharp curved teeth, and adult human beings has 32 teeth. Number 4, some animals uses their feet to climb the tree. The crow bleeds it as high. Now MCQ question. Birds make nest for number A option, looking after the young ones. Then hatching their eggs, laying eggs. So all these are true. Number 2, the Indian robin may build its nest among stones on the ground. The dash lays eggs inside 2 leaves it has stitched together. The answer will be weaver bird. So none of this. Okay. Number 4, the sunbird makes a nest which is inside a hole in a tree trunk. No. Is inside a building. No. Hangs from a bush. Yes, this one is the correct option. The dash steal birds' eggs to eat them. Cows. No, because cows cannot climb the tree. Number B, squirrels. So this one is the correct answer. Number B. True and false. Only the female bird makes its nest. No. Male bird also makes their nest. The quail lays its eggs in another bird's nest. True. Some birds suck nectar from the flowers. True. Then a straight pointed beak in a bird is helpful to tear and eat meat. No. Snakes do not use their teeth for chewing their food. Yes, this one is correct. Fill in the blanks. The baby bird in the robin's nest had its beak wide open because it was waiting for food to be given by its mother. The dash. The male weaver bird make beautifully woven nest. Yes. The cat's teeth are sharp so that it can tear and cut meat easily. Cows have large and flat teeth on the back of their mouth to chew grass. A curved upper beak in a bird is useful for crushing seeds. Yes. Next. How do birds use their nest? Birds use the nest to lay eggs, live, and to raise their babies. Number 4. Fill in the blanks. Squirrel. Description of teeth. What the teeth do. Small, flat, and sharp teeth. Small nuts and fruits. Cat. Sharp and pointed front teeth. And what the teeth do? To eat meat and to tear meat. Cow. Short front teeth, grass and straw. Snake. Sharp curved teeth to kill prey. Now, beaks of the birds vary from one type of bird to another. Write the purpose for which the bird use their beaks. So, number 1, to make their nest. Number 2, to eat food. And number 3, to feed their babies. Next. Why is April a busy month for birds? Because in the month of April, birds make new nests and prepare to lay eggs. What is the behavior of weaver birds when they decide to have a nest for laying eggs? The male weaver bird makes the nest and female weaver bird chooses the nest in which she wants to lay her eggs. Okay. Now, these are find out and write. Birds which sleeps during the day but remains awake at night. Owl. National bird, peacock. National animal of India, tiger. A bird that cannot fly, emu, kiwi, ostrich. The bird with largest egg, ostrich. Next, birds do not have teeth, then how do they chew the food that they eat? Birds only crush their food a little and swallow their food. Okay. Just like animals, humans have different types of teeth. Find out and write the types of teeth we have and what is the use of each type. Short front teeth to bite food. Sharp and pointed canine teeth to bite on non-vegetarian food. Large and flat back teeth to grin food. Okay, thank you.